guys? Welcome to week 7, Timeline Hand Motions Explained. Our first card is Jesus the Messiah. So for this card, for the sign for Jesus, is going to be touching the middle of the palm with the middle finger, and then the other palm with the middle finger. And this is just the sign for where he was nailed to the cross. And the sign for Messiah, we're going to make an M with our fist and then draw that same sash that we show for any kind of royalty. So Jesus, the Messiah. And then the song says year 180. So the sign for year is to stack the hands and then draw a circle and stack the hands. And then we can put up the sign for 1 and do it again. Okay? So, year 180, year 180, okay? The next card says Pentecost and the early church. In the book of Acts, it talks about tongues of flames. So for the word Pentecost, we're going to be pointing to our tongue and then making flames. And the early church, we're going to start by having a rock, and then we're going to place a C on top of it for a church. Persecution spreads the gospel. For persecution, we're going to be punch 2 times. Spreads the gospel. For gospel, we're going to have our palm flat and take a G, and we're just going to flip through it as if we're flipping the pages of a book. Herod's temple destroyed by Titus. So we're going to make the sign for temple, just like we did before. We're going to start with a T on top of a rock. Herod's temple destroyed by Titus, hold up a T. Diocletian divides the Roman Empire. For Diocletian, we're going to make a D, so that's just pointing the pointer finger up. The rest of the hand is in a circle. Diocletian divides. We're going to cross our wrists and then separate them. The Roman Empire, we're going to make an R. So if we do that all together, Diocletian divides the Roman Empire. Constantine legalizes Christianity. So for Constantine, we're going to hold up a C. Constantine legalizes Christianity. For Christianity, we're going to do the same sign that we do for Jesus. So touching the middle of the palm on one hand, and then touching the middle of the palm on the other hand. And the final card is India's Gupta dynasty. So I'm sure you remember the sign for India is to point to the middle of the forehead. And then Gupta dynasty, we're going to be doing the same sign that we've done for gold. We're going to point to the ear and then make our Y and wiggle it away from our ear. Okay, good luck.